Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I came up with this Ankara top and how you can put it on, how you can design it and wear it for info ways and just in different occasions and different events and different everything. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. In the first part, guys, I'm going to show you how you can design and create your own at home. In the second part, I'm going to show you how you can style it and how you can wear it in different occasions and different events. That's what we're going to do today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, can you please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Yeah, on Tuesday we do cooking videos and on Friday we do vlogs, fashion, and any kind of video. Yeah, now let's jump into the video, guys. First of all, guys, let's take the measurement. You can use a tape, or if you don't have a tape, you can use a rope. So for me, first I'm using a tape. Just measure your chest nicely. Don't make it too tight and don't make it too loose. Yeah, as you can see. Then write it down. So if you don't have a tape, I'm showing you how you can just use any kind of a rope. Just measure it the same way you did with the tape and then mark the place that you think it does fit you. Here I'm just showing you guys, like if you use a tape or if you use a rope, you just have the same measurement. Then fold your Ankara, your material, into 4 pieces. Yeah. After folding your Ankara into 4, now lay it down. Then take your tape. The length is according to what you have measured yourself. Then fold it into 4 for you to measure like the upper size of the top. After doing that, now you can use a pen or a chalk just to mark where you're going to cut. Then after that, we are going to measure the length. As for me, the length was 17, but you can just measure yours using the tape just or the rope. Mark all the places that you have measured to make the work easier. The down part, you just have to get a nice circle. If you don't know how to just create a nice circle, you can use a tape. Just take the 17th or the measurement that you used down, then go around by marking the place that you are going to cut. Hooray! We are almost done, guys. Cutting was the hardest part. Now take one side, then cut in the middle. Just one part, then cut it. For it to be like that, I was looking for that wavy stuff in the down part. So yeah, I'm happy. So far, so good. Once we are done with cutting, now let's fold the upper part of the top into 2, then iron the specific parts. This will be helpful when we are about to sew that specific place. We are going to do this on the upper part of the top and then on the sideways of the top. Now time to sew. So what you can do to make it faster and easier, for me I'm just going like go up and go down, but this was like too slow. Now I'm doing like 4 times, go down, go up, then go down, then go up, then pull the noodle. That's, yeah, this way I was at least somehow fast. So after going like the full round like that, you just have to come back, look at the line that you want, and then try to follow the line by going back, so that it can look like you used a machine or something like that. Yeah, you see now how neat it does look and perfect. It's like we used a machine but we didn't. You just have to go one round, then come back following the same line. The down part, because it's so long, you can just leave it the way it is. You don't have to fold that place or to sew that place. Yep. Now it's time to create sleeves. What you just have to do, when we were cutting the down part, there was those leftovers. You can just take it and then look for the longest part, then cut it, just remove it for you to create the sleeves. I'm not looking for big sleeves, I'm just looking for like a line, just like a small one. Yeah, and then divide that part into 2. Yes, then after that we are going just to sew the extreme parts, like the end part. Now we are measuring our tops like at the very end of each one, just to create the place that we're going to make small walls for our buttons. As you know, our top has 2 sides, so take the end of each and every side and put a button at the end of it. Yep. One end the button was inside, the second one the button must be like at the outside, to make it easier to when you are wrapping your top when you are wearing it. So guys, now I'm just showing you how to put on the top. On both sides you have buttons, and you have to create like small walls so that you can, when you're wearing a shirt, like one side has a button and the other side has like a small walls, so that the button can go inside. And also you're going to create small walls to the sleeves. That's why the button will be like the holder of our sleeves. Yes, and the top is like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want us to be creating more tops or any other kind of clothes that you can put it on, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to do and create more of such content. So please don't leave this channel without subscribing, liking the video, and commenting on the video. And if you can, please may you share it with your friend, family, so that we can grow, so that this family can have so many and many and many and more people. Thank you so much for stopping by. Till the next one, bye. Stay safe and stay positive, please. Bye. When it hurts like this.